Hi guys, today I'm doing a very simple lipstick mascara look, which is my favorite kind because at a daily basis light eyes look better, and I'm going to share it here today. I've used no liquid foundation and of course I've used no liquid eyeliner. Definitely use a lip balm before makeup so that your lipstick glides on well. The lenses I'm wearing here are called Pure Hazel by Fresh Look. Always moisturize your face before makeup, especially when you're going to use powder foundation like I do. And I have dry skin and it still won't matter because of the moisturizing. Use a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer for wherever required, and that would be good enough under my powder foundation. So mostly I use it under my eyes, some of my sun-kissed areas, as well as to cover some of the redness. If you like realistic natural kind of makeup, then this is the page to follow or the channel to follow. As in when we age, it is better to do spot concealing and keeping the foundation layers less. It looks much better. I like using the MAC Studio Fix Dry Foundation. Use it with a very light hand and a brush instead of the sponge provided in it. That way your layers will be light and your face will look good enough for makeup. I'm using the Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette. Use any palette of your choice that has a neutral shade like this and take a fluffy brush and apply it on your upper eyelid to contour it. Take it up to your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, take it further up. Whatever is left on your brush, bring it down to your lower outer lash line. Though it's just a lipstick mascara look, a little bit of contouring and shading on the eyes make the look even better. Now take a darker brown and use a pencil brush or a smudge brush and just shade your outer corner, upper outer corner. Make the strokes from outside to inside, that way it will blend in well, and whatever is left on the brush, bring it out onto your lower outer lash line. Repeat the same thing on your other eye. See, I'm not bringing the eyeshadow all the way in. It's just at the outer corner with the strokes being from outside to inside. It'll give you a nice definition. And whatever is left on your brush, bring it down to your lower outer lash line. Set your eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. If you need to draw them, go for it. But for daily looks, for me, I just use a gel to set it so it stays in place. Now for a lipstick mascara look, I like using a volume and length mascara. This one is by Huda Beauty. You can use one of your own choice. Here, first I'm going to use the volume side. You can choose any mascara that says volume or lengthening. That itself will line your eyes in a subtle way and you won't need any eyeliner. Now I'm using the lengthening side. I'll use the same side for the lower lash line as well because the brush is thinner. I use my own products for my makeup. Please follow the technique and use brands of your own choice. But if you want to use the ones I have used, I've captioned them. I don't link them because the links expire in a month, but everything I'm using, you can find them on Nykaa, Tira Beauty and Sephora. Just type exactly what I've captioned in the video. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. Then define your lips with a lip liner that will go with the lipstick you use. Today I'm going for a darker shade. By the way, the last time I was wearing this ring, you guys were asking me how many carats it is. It's no carats, it's just a big crystal. I don't like diamonds. I'd rather spend that money on my makeup. Use a lipstick of your choice, but when you're using a dark shade, just make sure your lips are well defined. When I use a dark lipstick, I always dab off the first layer with a tissue and then I apply the lipstick again And then I also make sure I touch up the lip liner. Again, the 2 layers of lipstick will make sure that your dark lipstick stays on longer. Let me make your life a little easier. There is no right and wrong in makeup. If you like what you see in the mirror and it works for you, then it's fine. Doesn't matter who says what. I'm not even going to contour my face today, but the blush on, the angle which I use it in that way and your face will look contoured. This one is Baddie Berry by Huda Beauty. It looks dark, but once blended in, it looks great. Always use little product, blend it in, and then if you want, use more. Because if you use a lot, it is difficult to reduce. It's better to use little by little and use more if required. And this rule applies for any makeup product that you use on your face, especially liquid foundations and blushes. My makeup is almost done. Now I'm going to take my powder foundation and touch it up wherever required. Now you see how less the layer is on my face, yet it looks glam. I don't believe in using 10,000 products to look good and for me to make sales. That's not the way I vlog. I keep it real. If I ever do a collab, it's only if I love the product. Now I'm going to use a simple and light stick highlighter. This is very easy to apply and you can just blend it in with your finger. Or you can use any highlighter of your choice. So you see, if you have basically got a little clear skin, a little bit of makeup is good enough. If you need concealing in certain parts, then go for those parts where you need to layer. There's no need to layer the whole face. Now I'm touching up my powder foundation again. Do that if required and my makeup is done. Use a setting spray and you're good to go. I'll see you soon with easy, relatable and doable makeup looks. Till then, take care and stay glam.